Hi, I'm here from KodiLearn. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this WordPress error. As you can see here, it is telling briefly unavailable for schedule maintenance. Check back in a minute. So I'll tell you how you can fix this error in a simple step. At first, let's discuss why this occurs. So actually, this maintenance break is a type of maintenance that is occurred in the WordPress for updating the plugins so that the front-end website will not have any effect by the customers or the users. So when you are interacting in the front end, other users may affect or may do some things with the features of these plugins, and it may affect the whole website while updating the plugins. So WordPress enables the maintenance for a short period of time at the time of upgrading those plugins. So if we skip that update, means if you close the browser or something you do, then this error will not go and you cannot update your plugins. So I'll tell you how you can fix this today. So the most important fix that I want to tell is that please do not close your browser while updating the plugin. In case your net issue occur or something may other issue may occur, like sudden shutdown of PC, then this might not be the solution. So let's see how you can remove this and continue back in the website. So at first, you need to go to the file manager of your hosting. So if you do not know, you can check out the frequently asked question, or you can Google on how you can see the file manager of according to your hosting provider. At the time of recording this video, I'm using localhost. So I'm going to go to the folder directory of my WordPress, and here is this in the sg docs I have here. So here you'll see one file called .maintenance, and I need to just remove it. So you can remove it from the file manager of your hosting. And now when I refresh here, you can see the error is gone. And when I refresh here also, the error is gone. Now I can easily update my plugins. And be sure while updating, please be sure you have a good internet connection so that this error will not occur in the future. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. And if you want to get more videos related to WordPress and tips and tricks and error fix, then please subscribe, like, and share this video. And thank you for this video. Stay tuned. Goodbye.